Here's another short story from my 45-year lifer career, music lifer. You meet the darndest people, as I did another one with meeting Al Gore, taking a leak with him. One time, my mother, who was a church organist, kind of pulled me into going to a Bible study in our old neighborhood. And, all right, Mom, I'll go with you. And kind of a born-again kind of affair. My mom was into that for a while. And I'm not pushing any religion on you or anything. I have my own beliefs. But anyways, I walk in this Bible study and sit down at these people's house, nice folks' house, and there on the couch was Rick James. It's true. Rick James, the famous rock star, the famous tyrant and sometimes criminal. People have done comedy skits about Rick James, Dave Chappelle and stuff. There is Rick James sitting there at a Bible study. So it turns out that he was trying to repent from his past, lifestyle. And our friend, the musician, Mike Caputi, the known session drummer, had brought him along, who was a born-again folk. So I had been to Rick's house before. Rick is from Buffalo, as my hometown is from Buffalo. He was not there when I was there. I was there to deliver some gear. He had a studio in his house. But I had been to Rick James' house before and knew of him, and we had tried to sell gear to him, me and another guy. And I think it was a drum machine or something we were delivering. And so, yes, I was at a Bible study with Rick James, who was trying to repent for a while in his life. It's true. Take it for what it's worth. You meet the craziest people because of musicians and your music career sometimes. So anyways, Rick James at a Bible study. Imagine that.